Do you find reading interesting or boring? Reading is one habit that can really bring a lot of shift in our life. But most of us fail in consistency. Hi, I am Jyotsna Bidwe, your communication and self-awareness coach, and today we are going to talk about reading. Just one page, reading one page every single day can big transformation in your life. Now, why one page? Because most of us do not have the time. They always complain, I don't have time to read. Or some of us find it very boring to read. Sometimes we feel it's too heavy for me to read. I feel sleepy when I read. We have hundreds of excuses for not doing it. But today, let me give you one reason we should read at least one page every single day. Someone might say, what is it going to happen even if I read one page a day? You never know. In that one page, an idea may pop up and that would, create something that would be unimaginable. And I understand if you are still not ready to commit for one page, what you can start doing is you can decide a time duration. How about we start with 5 minutes every single day? So of the 24 hours that we have, we scroll through Instagram, YouTube shorts, but instead, can we commit 5 minutes for our lifetime growth and give those 5 minutes for reading? Why do I say 5 minutes? If one page feels too much for you, you can read for 5 minutes, and also everybody's pace of reading differs. So whatever that, it could be one paragraph or one page that you are reading, but make sure that you read for 5 minutes. You know how I built my reading habit? I used to read 20 minutes every single day. First thing in the morning when I wake up, when it is all silent, my mind is stable, I would go pick up my book, read for 20 minutes, and then only I would move to my work. Number one, I built the habit. I started reading every single day. The first thing in the morning, I started getting up early, I started reading. Second thing, I felt motivated, inspired to start my day because whatever I would read would help me grow in my thoughts, in my emotions, in my behavior. So, and one more thing that I would want to tell you, definitely reading spiritual books, self-help books are going to help. Even if you like reading magazines, fiction, short stories, essays, anything, please start doing it because it does not matter what you are reading. I know everything that has been written carries certain value. I am going to share amazing things that I have learned from any piece of reading that I have done. I got so involved in the reading, even if I buy something from a store which is wrapped in a newspaper, I would make sure once the thing is kept out, I would open the newspaper and read. When I would buy medicines from the medical shop, I got into the habit of reading the content, not only medicines, anything that I would buy. And reading just got into me and it feels so amazing. I am a completely different person. The one who was never reading and the one who is reading every single day. So I would want you to read every single day. Start today. If you have any questions, please ask me. And if you are still not ready to start reading, let me know that also in the comments because I have a solution for every problem that you might face. But the only thing I need from you is your commitment for your growth. If you are ready for your growth and you still find it difficult to start reading, let me know in the comments and I'm going to share an amazing idea with you which will blow your mind and which will also get you into the habit of reading and learning. So all the best, keep evolving, take care, and I shall see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are yet not a subscriber and share it with a person who really needs to hear it from you.